Hi Capricorn, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Capricorn, for your general energies, career situation, and relationship, guys, we are picking these cards, Capricorn. So, these are for your general energies, this is for your relationship, and this card is for your career situation, guys. Capricorn, if you want more clarity in your circumstances, guys, you can stay tuned for the pick a card love reading that will follow this general guidance. So, let's start with these cards. We have garden, stock, and mountain. So, in your circumstances, guys, Capricorn, you are seeing some challenges, maybe something you need to do the hard way, and it is really difficult because you are someone who wants to do everything in the right way. So you use your talents and skills, and you do anything with a deeper responsibility. So you want to do things in the right way, and today you have put in your maximum efforts, but still there are some negative circumstances, something that needs something more from you, and it is truly difficult, truly a burden on you, and you are feeling really stressed or anxious about it. So it may be something in your work, or it may be something in your relationship, guys. So you have too much to handle, and your circumstance is very difficult for you. And maybe for some of you, Capricorn, you have people you love caring for you, whom you can trust. So these people are giving you some valuable ideas, suggestions, what needs to be done. And maybe for some of you, you are simply, you are simply tired of the way things are going today, and you are taking a day off. Maybe for some of you, taking time off from work, spending time with this person you love. So you are relaxing yourself, trying to relax yourself, but you need not worry, guys. Maybe in your relationship or in your career situation, there is a huge change waiting to unfold. So some positive opportunity is reaching you, or it may be a good news coming to you, maybe from this person or from your work situation. So maybe you were planning for a family, having a child together. So today that may be the good news. Maybe you are having a child together or starting a family together. So some kind of positive news is what I see for you all, guys. So let's see what is the card for your relationship. So it is clouds. So with this card, it just means that maybe in your relationship there may be some doubts you have, something really confusing, but this good news, maybe having a child together or planning to start a family, or maybe a new beginning in your career, whatever it is, that good news is going to change the way things are going for you guys, Capricorn. So a positive change or positive transformation is happening in your circumstance today, guys, Capricorn. So for your career situation, guys, we have Tower. So with this card, it looks like there are some challenges in your work situation also, guys. Some sudden changes or drastic changes you may see in your work situation, and it is simply something you never expected. Maybe some delays or suspensions, or maybe people may leave you. People who have worked with you as a team and who are good friends with you, they may leave for another job, or they may get a transfer. So some kind of changes, sudden changes, something which you never ever expected to happen, is happening in your career situation, and you may feel really lost or sad, but you need not worry, guys, because these changes, you need not worry about these changes, guys, Capricorn, because I see that these changes are the stepping stones for something positive, something much better than your present circumstance is coming towards you. So whatever is leaving you, you need not cry for that, you need not be sad for that. Instead of all that, something much better is coming in your life, in your work, so you can be happy. You can wait for that happiness in your future, guys. So that is the reading for you all today, guys, Capricorn. Thank you for watching. If you want more clarity, please stay tuned for the pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, guys, Capricorn. For your love reading, guys, we have two cards here. This is your first card and this is your second card. So you can think about your circumstances, close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, then open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. That way the reading may resonate, guys. So I will start the reading with the first card after a few seconds. Okay, guys, so now let's start with this card. So I will keep this card aside. So for those who chose this card, it says Sacred Phoenix Heart. So with this card, guys, in your circumstances, you have faced a lot in your life. You have gone through a lot of difficulties, gone through lot of trials, and you have endured confusion and uncertainty in your life for many years, and you were you were looking for an oasis, that freedom and relief all along. So the answers you seek or the freedom you look for is not far away, guys, and it is coming towards you, and you are going to get that clarity and happiness very soon. So you need not worry or you need not feel sad anymore. And this oracle comes with a special guidance, guys. Whatever you were going through, maybe you were going through a lot of pain, difficulty, and you were crying. Whatever it was, your sadness or all that stress, pain is going to be the foundation for something that is going to be changing or transforming in your life. And your life is divinely aligned and you are going to be more alive than before. So you must be prepared to let your old version of yourself just leave you. And what does that mean? What does that mean to say that we are letting that old version go away? It just means that letting go of the opinions or doubts, despair and fears that we have in our life. And a great transformation is coming your way, guys. So you can rest assured, be happy for that. And this oracle also comes with a special guidance regarding divine timing. So all your dreams and goals, whatever you had, your time is fast approaching. And maybe you are in that greatest confusion of your life or greatest darkness. But don't forget that deepest darkness of the night is the closest to the newest dawn. So you should not forget that, and don't turn back, don't turn yourself away from progress. So even your next step will be something breathtaking, or it may be something like a breakthrough in your life, guys. So you should not forget that. So at that appropriate timing, whatever is supposed to be yours will always be yours, and it is coming towards you. And this is the time for positive transformation in your life, guys. So that is what I see with this card. For those who chose this card, so in your relationship or in your career or personal life, great changes are coming towards you, guys. You should not forget that. So that is the reading with this card, guys. So let's see what is the second card. So for those who chose this card, the second card, it is Yang. So with this card, the energy is that maybe today you are in that, what to say, you are having that creative power to make things happen, and you are the one who will make the right actions. So maybe in this relationship or in your personal life, you need to decide on something, or you need to what to say, take up some activity. There is no one better than you for that job, guys. So you have that power and energy to propel forward in your life, and this is the perfect time for you to act, and circumstances are supporting your action. And today in this relationship, maybe if you are interested in this person, if you are thinking of marriage or proposal, it is okay to make the first move. Trust that you will know where you are and where your relationship stands, guys. So in the matters of this relationship, there is movement towards that highest good. So you can move forward with assurance. Be assured that whatever activity you do is going to be the right thing for you, and passion is in the air, love is in the air, and it is the time to dance to the tune of love. So it is time to take the lead in this relationship right now. So if you are thinking of marriage or proposal, commitment, you can take that first step towards that in this connection, and that is going to work in your favor, guys. So that is the energy with this card. For those who chose this card, that is the reading, guys, for you all. Thank you for watching, guys. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.